You do it this way. It's my shopping. Hello, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. When shopping, you will be offloading my shopping with me, and I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen cabinet. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do. Now let's get to the business of unpacking my shopping. That's my shopping. So I'm done offloading my shopping. I'll then have to put them where it is supposed to be. Start sorting my shopping. Okay. This one is blossom, so I'm going to clean up my spinach. Salt. And I'll put it in here. I finished washing my spinach. I'm going to cut it now. You know, then when we were kids, right, if they ask you to cut vegetable when you come back from the market, you pick them one like this, and that's how you do, like so, one, and you know, when your hand is full enough, you then cut it with, you know, your board and knife. But how I'm going to be doing my own today doesn't matter. Just watch and see. This is a quicker way, especially when you want to go and play with your friends and you don't have the time to do this one pick. You just pack everything like this. Who've done this one? Or put on the comment section. You now use your hand to break it like this. Yes. And try to slice like so. This one is a faster way to cut your vegetable, especially when your mom is asking you to do vegetable and you want to go and do pangolo. You do it this way, quick. So this one is spinach that I'm cut. It's not ugu. It's more or less ugu here. So this is spinach, and I like my spinach to be chunky like so. Back to my turkey. Remember, I soaked it with water. I'm just going to clean it again. Now back to my turkey, which is properly washed. apply that now. Vegetable is ready. That's what we are having tonight, and my fish is also ready. I'll fry that fish later. Guys, this is my soup. I added the vegetable. We will be having this vegetable soup with pounded yam. So I'm done with unpacking my shopping. Did a little bit of soup, vegetable soup, and you guys saw the clips. Right, so it's time for me to clean my kitchen cabinet. Yes, not everything. I'm just cleaning the surface because I feel it's not clean enough. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my kitchen cabinet surface. So I'm going to be using this, okay, to clean. Well, in today's vlog, you unpack my shopping with me, and I made soup, which I showed you few clips of my vegetable soup, and finally you watch me clean the surface of my kitchen cabinet. If you stayed up to this point, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Importantly, don't forget to leave me a beautiful comment, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.